back to my channel. So for this week's or for today's video, I wanted to film a what I eat in a week video. I mean, I don't think I'm gonna be sick towards the end of the week, but I'm getting over the flu. So it's Monday and I was in bed all yesterday. I'm pretty sure I got like 13, well, I would keep waking up, but like the night of Saturday to Sunday I got like 13 hours of sleep, and then I got like 12 last night. So I'm getting better, and I've been drinking like, I think, a lot of water. I don't even know, I should be drinking more, but I do feel so much better. I still feel it a little bit, but today I am just taking care of myself and doing some things that I usually do on Sundays, but just taking it slow. Start off, I drank some water already, but I'm gonna have my like apple cider vinegar, lemon, ginger, and turmeric in here with some water. Also gonna have one of my multivitamins. So I understand that this is not what I usually eat for breakfast. I actually cook my breakfast mostly, but I've never had this, and I honestly thought I would feel just as bad today as yesterday, so I didn't want to cook anything. But I'm just gonna eat this, and it has pretty good ingredients anyway. I mean, it's all organic, and I understand mostly everything. Actually, I do understand everything, so that's good. And then I'm gonna have some Ezekiel bread with avocado and tomato. Then I'm gonna have some orange juice as well. This, which is literally just orange juice. I just think this is all I'm gonna be able to consume until dinner, so that is what I'm having. I put some organic ketchup on there, and then I'm about to put my salt-free garlic and herb seasoning that I put on honestly everything. There is my breakfast. Hello guys, so it is dinner time now. It's 6:03 and I just got back from Whole Foods because I went to yoga to do like a nice getting back into the swing of things, and plus I have a month unlimited, so I will be going to yoga like every single day. But yeah, so I'm gonna try this new thing where I don't get my groceries every Sunday, but I get them not every night, because like if I have leftovers I'll eat that instead, but like whenever I need to cook my next meal I'm gonna get my groceries, so that way they're fresher and I don't get things that I don't end up using because I had leftovers or whatever. I feel like that's happened a lot, and it's just like stressful. I don't know, so this helps a lot, and I feel like it saves money. So yeah, that is what we're gonna do. I'm making a nice vegetable noodle soup just to get those nutrients in my body again, and just keep with the health, keep with the mindful eating. I'm going to start by boiling some vegetable broth. So I'm going to put in these Ancient Harvest Rotini gluten-free organic super green pasta. I'm now going to take some of these mixed mushrooms. Actually, I'm going to add in all of these. These are green beans, broccoli florets, collard greens, Brussels sprouts, and all these seasonings. I've just made a big bowl of the soup, and I'm going to put in some nutritional yeast, some more of this garlic herb, and then also squeeze some lemon. And there we go. That is my dinner. Good morning, everybody. It is now Tuesday and I'm going to school today, but I'm gonna check in a little late because I wanted to take a slow morning. All I've consumed is like water and then my little like morning drink. I usually never eat breakfast in the morning here. I'll usually eat it my first hour, like my second or third, but I'm gonna eat it here this morning. I'm gonna make some tea and then I'm gonna have peanut butter toast with some oatmeal and fruit and stuff. So Alrighty, here it is. So I just put the banana and raspberries in the oatmeal with agave on top. And then I put chia seeds, peanut butter, and raisins on this guy. And there we go with my tea. I'm trying out my new Keurig to take to bring a cup to school. So let's see if I do this right. Your girl just made her first at-home latte. I'm finally off to school, but I'm just bringing this orange juice that I drank. Well, I drank one yesterday because I have the after-school read-through for my musical, and I just want to keep my vitamin C up. I am headed off to school now, finally. I know. It took the longest time. I am home, and I am hungry. Before I go to my workout and yoga class, I'm gonna eat something. I have decided on some nuts. I've had so many fruit stuff today. I am home. I went to work out, or I did some cardio at the gym, and then I went to a yoga session, which was so good. It's 8 something. We're having leftovers for dinner because I made a lot, and my grandma and my mom ate some today, so there's still some left for me to eat. And there's dinner. You already know what time it is. It's mint dark chocolate time. Okay guys, I'm really running late, so I need to go, but I just packed my breakfast. It's just oatmeal with raisins, blueberries, almonds, and raisins. No wait, did I say that? No, raspberries. And I put agave syrup and cinnamon and vanilla extract in it. I'm off to school. Just got to school, but I also picked up a cappuccino. Okay, I'm gonna go to school now. Heat and night, and I'm feeling right. This is what tonight's dinner is. It actually looks like so much because I had leftover stuff over here, but there's Dad's and here's mine. So I did tofu as the meat, and then I grilled onion, and then and then a little bit of orange and red pepper with spinach, and then I put on top pico de gallo, olives, a guacamole because none of the avocados were ripe, and then green onion, and then nutritional yeast and seasoning and all that. So, oh, mushrooms are in there too, forgot. What's new in my life as I go through this drawer with a lot of random stuff. Alright, here's my breakfast. Banana, some raspberries, an Italian sausage vegan thing, and then some toast. One with a little bit of Earth Balance with no soy in it. The other one has peanut butter, and I'm gonna put raisins and chia seeds on that one. My latte. Alright guys, it's 4:40 and I'm home from school and practice. My stomach has been bothering me so much. It's just been cramping up. I guess it's just bad digestion. I'm going to drink some ginger and peach tea because I heard ginger tea helps with it, and I don't have my digestion tea anymore, so I'm gonna try that. And then I don't know why, but I've been wanting to try these all day. They are these Go Raw junk free food zesty pizza sprouted flax seeds. The ingredients are really nice. Yeah, so I thought I'd just give them a try. I don't know why I've been craving this. Plus I'm going to yoga at 6, so I want to get something else in my body before that. I also decided, since I'm not gonna be back until 7:30-ish, that I'd go ahead and make my dinner and then have it ready. So I just chopped up some sweet potato, or a sweet potato, and seasoned it, and I'm gonna put it in the oven. Then I'm also about to just cook this tofu scramble I just seasoned and all that, and then also cut up some vegetables. I'm using my leftovers I didn't use yesterday night and making more of a breakfast burrito instead of, a Hispanic dish like we had last night. So that's what's going on. Alright, I just plated my food, so I have everything's leftover pretty much, except I made it more of a breakfast burrito. I have little sweet potato chunks, which are extremely burnt. Scramble with onion and spinach below it, and then olives and green onion on top with guacamole. Yes, this is what dinner is. Last row. Let's see. I have, orange juice, my strict orange juice with peanut butter toast with chia seeds and raisins on top. Then one of the Italian sausage length things. And then raspberries, wherever they are. There they are. I'm about to eat this Bearded Brothers Colossal Coconut Mango Bar. It's 3:04. I'm leaving school to go to a yoga class. So I'm gonna eat this on the way there because I am hungry. Just arrived at Whole Foods and I'm gonna get my groceries for the day, get some things for breakfast along with dinner, drinking my morning drink. Let's see what we can find. I am back and I am about to dig into breakfast because the next time I'll be eating is dinner. So I'm gonna get like I think a latte for work, but not like, I'm not gonna eat before it. I'm gonna be having this tonight. I made a soup with Yukon potatoes, red potatoes, lettuce, mushroom, green beans, broccoli, Brussels sprout. There's some other vegetable, carrot, celery, and then white beans. Some green onion on top too. All right, time to dig in. No chocolate, coconut 70% dark. This is the newbie. Got avocado toast with kimchi, cucumber, and like this sriracha on top with this chai latte. Leftovers. It's like like those cookies. Alright guys, so that is a week of me eating. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it gave you a little bit more insight of what I consume in a week. As you can see, it changes most every day. I mean, again, some days I'll eat leftovers, then I usually have like a little chocolate or a piece of like dark chocolate, which I don't think a lot of you guys knew. I just always have like a sweet tooth after dinner. Yeah, but that is a week of me eating. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you found it entertaining, informative. I don't know. Be sure to let me know in the comments if you want to see more of these or if you'd rather a what I eat in a day rather than like a week. And yeah, be sure to give it a like if you enjoyed and to subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to have you part of this journey here with me on YouTube. That being said, I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.